A quick snapshot of the Malaysian economy. Next. Malaysia's real GDP has been declining. It's still growing at 4%, but it's been declining steadily over the last 2 to 2.5 years. Next. Next. Fortunately, our unemployment rate is still very stable at about 3.2%. In countries like Singapore, unemployment rate is really creeping up, quite worryingly actually. Next. Malaysia's exports have been not performing well, but that is a trend seen in not just in Malaysia, for Japan, Korea, Taiwan, China, Singapore. As I explained in the earlier talk, this is a new phenomenon in the global economy. Next. Crude oil price has plunged, and our own in-house forecast is that the oil price will stay low for many, many years to come. And for those of you who believe in the technology disruption, and you believe this particular professor from Stanford, crude oil may be obsolete in 15 years. Next. Vehicle sales in Malaysia, commercial and passenger vehicles, have been weak. Next. Bank lending is still growing, but at a much lower rate than the previous years. Next. And if you look at it by sector, the driver of loans, the drivers of bank lending has been residential property and non-residential property. But non-residential property loans have dropped, and residential property is still pretty stable. It is in manufacturing that has been very weak. Next. And Malaysia's current account is still in the surplus, but has reached a level that is, I think if I'm the Prime Minister, I'll be a bit quite worried at night. Next. Only at night, not daytime. The ringgit against USD has reached a new normal, which is something that I have already shared 2 years ago, that the new normal is complicated because it is affected by global economy, local economy, and Malaysian politics, but it's weakened a lot. Next. And our fiscal balance, we're still showing a budget deficit for various reasons. Next. More importantly, is our own Malaysian leading index. It has, if you look at it in the past, it has not been in negative territory. Now it has been in contracting for the last 1.5 years. It hasn't really happened like that in the past before. So that is a quick snapshot on the Malaysian economy. So I hope